Hello everyone, welcome back to Caring Guy. Today we're reviewing the new 814 GPS drone, a feature-packed quadcopter designed for stable flying, smart navigation, and high-resolution aerial recording. Right away, the 814 GPS drone looks solid and well-built, with an unfolded size of 34 by 28 by 10 centimeters and a weight of around 200 grams. It strikes a good balance between portability and flight stability. The foldable design makes it easy to carry, while still feeling capable in outdoor conditions. One of the standout features here is the 4.5-inch LCD screen remote controller. This built-in display allows you to see the live camera feed without connecting your phone, making the flying experience simpler and more reliable, especially in bright outdoor environments. The drone is equipped with a dual camera system. The front camera supports 8K ultra-high-definition video recording, while the bottom camera works with optical flow positioning for more accurate hovering and smoother low-altitude flight. The camera angle can be adjusted up to 90 degrees, and the stabilized gimbal design helps reduce shake for clearer photos and videos. When it comes to positioning and safety, the 814 GPS drone performs impressively. It combines GPS positioning with optical flow fixed-point hovering, allowing for precise control and steady flight. With one key return, low battery return, and signal loss return, the drone knows how to come back safely when needed. The GPS-based obstacle avoidance system adds another layer of confidence during flight. Powering the drone is a 3.7-volt, 4,800 mAh lithium battery, delivering around 20 minutes of flight time per charge. The remote controller also has a built-in 1,200 mAh battery, so you don't need to worry about swapping batteries during short sessions. In terms of performance, the brushless motors provide strong, efficient power and longer lifespan compared to brushed motors. The drone can handle wind speeds of up to 20 to 30 kilometers per hour, making it suitable for outdoor flying in open areas. With a return distance of up to 300 to 500 meters, you get plenty of room to explore. Smart flight modes really enhance the experience. You can enable intelligent follow, surround flight, and even draw a custom flight route directly in the app. Features like gesture photography, palm control, headless mode, and full app-based control make this drone accessible for both beginners and experienced users. Overall, the 814 GPS drone is a strong option if you're looking for a GPS-enabled drone with a built-in screen controller, 8K video capability, brushless motors, and reliable safety features. It's well-suited for casual aerial photography, outdoor flying, and anyone who wants GPS stability without stepping into professional drone pricing. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest tech reviews here on Caring Guy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.